for today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to achieve these jumbo knotless braids. So with that, let's get started. The first step is to plait your own hair, then feed in the braids into the plait. So what you do is tuck the braid under the pointer finger and then plait it into the hair as if it's your own, and then you continue that with 6 different feedings. Tutorial. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.